Welcome students and viewers, you are watching 5M TV. Before starting the video, kindly subscribe and share it and suggest me future tutorials and lectures. Let's begin the video. The Lumetri Scopes panel displays different analyses of luma and chroma as waveforms based on your adjustments, letting you evaluate as you grade your clips. General color correction workflow. Want to try how it works? Open the Lumetri Color panel in Premiere Pro and get started. Ensure that you have set up the color workspace. Place the playhead on the required clip in your sequence. When the Lumetri Color panel is open, Premiere Pro automatically selects the Selection Follows Playhead option from the Sequence menu. The auto selection of the clip ensures that any color adjustments you make are applied to the selected clip. Automatic clip selection is applied even for the linked audio clips in the audio tracks. To focus your color adjustments only to video clips, turn off audio track targeting. Start making color adjustments using the basic correction section. Get started quickly by using Auto Color, an Adobe Sensei ML technology that applies intelligent color correction to clips. You can then further refine the color using the intensity, color, and light sliders. The controls in the basic correction section guide you through applying a LUT, lookup table, and making other technical corrections to exposure and light through easy-to-use controls. Use the creative section to apply looks. You can then make further adjustments using the adjustment sliders. For more information, see Get Creative with Color using Lumetri Looks. Use the Curves section to further refine the look using RGB curves and the Hue Saturation curve. For more information, see Adjust Color using RBG and Hue Saturation curves. Adjust shadows, midtones, and highlights using color wheels for more precise color adjustments. 3-way color correction using the color wheel. To make individual shots recorded under different lighting conditions look like they belong in the same scene and not out of place when cutting from one shot to the next, use the Color Match section. For more information, see Match Color between shots. After making all the color adjustments, create a high-quality vignette to make your video stand out. For more information, see Create Vignettes. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and share it and suggest me future tutorials and lectures.